Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your US Bank mortgage account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type usbank.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of US Bank. Now what we want to do to log into our mortgage account is simply click on this personal tab right here. Scroll down till you find something like home loans and then go to mortgages. Again, let's follow the same process. Personal, home loans, and from here, go to this tab called Manage My Mortgage. Simply click on it. Now what you want to do is click on this login button right here to log into your US Bank mortgage. Simply click on it. Now you will be redirected to this new page called as Account Login. Simply enter your username and password right here. Let's enter our credentials. In case you are having some problems while logging in, click on this button called as Get Login Help and then follow the prompts. That way you can again regain access to your account. If everything is okay, hit on this login button right here and then you will be able to log into your US Bank mortgages account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log into US Bank mortgage. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.